Okay, good evening. Today we are going to explain about the consolidated statement of profit or loss. First of all, I would like to introduce our group members. My name is Tulasi, she is Romita, and he is Jarvin. The question is based on Angel Berhad, also known as parent, and Spirit Berhad, known as subsidiary. Okay. Look at the first Roman. Angel Berhad was established on 1st January 2016 with pay up capital consists of 70 million ordinary share and 40 million and 200,000 5% cumulative preference share. Angel Berhad bought 23,790,000 ordinary share and 900,000 preference share of Spirit Berhad on 1st January 2019. At the point of acquisition, the return profit of Spirit Berhad is 10,200,000. Okay, the pay up capital of Spirit Berhad is made up of 30,500,000 units ordinary shares and 4,500,000 of 1.50 ringgit per unit, 7% non-cumulative preference share. Okay, I highlight here 23,790,000 ordinary share, which is Angel Berhad Board, and 900,000 preference share of Spirit Berhad. And also return profit of Spirit Berhad 10,200,000 and 30,500,000 unit ordinary share and 4,500,000 preference share. Okay, let me calculate percentage for ordinary share of parent and non-controlling interest. Okay, first take units of ordinary share for parent, which is 23,790,000 divided by units of ordinary share for sub C, which is 30,500,000. Okay, the answer will be 78%, and for NCI is 22%. Okay. Secondly, I calculate the percentage for preference share of parent and non-controlling interest. Take units of preference share for parent divided by units of preference share for sub-C. In question, there is given the total amount of preference share and cost per unit, but we need the units of preference share. So take units of preference share for parent, which is 900,000 divided by, in bracket, 4,500,000 divided 1.50. Close the bracket. Okay, the answer will be 30%, and for NCI is 70%. Okay, now I showing you what intra-transaction exists in this question. First, we look at intra-sales transaction for parent to sub-C. Look at the second Roman. During the current year, 10% of Angel Berhad sales were made to Spirit Berhad. The item costed Angel Berhad 70,859,375. So take the amount of sales of parent, which is 700,000 from Sochi, times with 10%. Okay, the answer will be 90,070,000 equal to intra purchase. Okay, next calculate the markup. Next, the markup percentage. In this question, there is not given markup directly. So the formula for markup is intra sales minus cost of item and divided by the same cost of item, which is 90,070,000 minus 70,859,375 divided by 70,859,375. Okay, the answer will be 27%. Okay, then okay, I have a few example. Sometimes the question giving cost markup directly. Sometimes they will give indirectly. Okay, let's see the example for directly. Romita, you can move a next sheet. Okay. For example, Dominus Berhad, which is subsidiary Berhad, mark up the item sold to Venture Berhad, call as parent. No, in bracket parent. Okay, reduce, okay, at 30%. Okay, meaning this situation they giving cost markup directly. Okay, we just take the 30% for calculation. Or Dominus Berhad mark up the item sold to Venture Berhad reduced to 30%. Its meaning also same. They giving the percentage directly. So let's see the example for indirectly. Indirectly, okay. Dominus Berhad mark up the item sold to other customers at 30%. However, to parent company, the company reduced the markup by 10%. So the calculation be like 30% minus 10% equal to 20%. We took the 20% for calculation, or the item costed Venture Berhad, let's say 145,000 they give for item cost. So the calculation be like intra sales minus item costed divided by item cost, which we did just now. Okay, let's move for the question. Okay. Okay, then we'll calculate URP ordinary share sorry, URP opening stock and closing stock for parent to subsidy. Whenever we calculate inventory for parent, we should refer subsidy inventory. We look at the Roman 5. Let's read Roman 5. At the beginning of the year, inventory balance of Spirit Berhad reported at 2,500,000. However, only 10% were acquired from Angel Berhad. So I will highlight here 10% were acquired from Angel Berhad. So, okay. And then, so 2,500,000 times with 10%. Okay, will be, okay, answer will be 250,000. Okay, this is not an answer. We should calculate URP opening stock. So it's 250,000 times with 27 markup divided by 100 plus 27. The answer will be 53,149.61 cents. Okay, next we calculate for closing inventory. Here they mentioned 30% of the purchases made in 2021 from Angel Berhad remain in the closing of Spirit Berhad. So the closing inventory is 30% times with 90,070,000. Okay, equals to 27,021,000. Okay, the URP closing stock is 27,021,000 times with 27 divided by 127. So the answer will be 5,744,622.5. Okay, then okay, next I'm going to calculate interest sales from sales to parent. Okay, look at the Roman 3. Okay, 5 million of Spirit Berhad sales were made to Angel Berhad. Spirit Berhad marked up the item sold to other customer at 20%. However, to Angel Berhad, the company reduced the markup by 5%. Okay, there is a given interest sale directly, which is 5 million. And markup will be 15%, which is got from 20% minus 5%. Okay, then I calculate URP opening stock and closing stock for sub C. Okay, whenever we calculate inventory of sub C, we must refer to parents inventory. Okay, we look at the Roman 4. Reported at the beginning of 2021, inventories of Angel Berhad was 7,300,000. Okay, so opening stock is 20% times with 7,300,000. We'll get 1,460,000. Because here they only 20% of the inventory were acquired from Spirit Berhad. So we take 20% times with 7,300,000. Okay, and then URP opening stock is 104,060,000 times with 50% markup divided 100 plus 50. So, okay, answer will be 190,434.78. Okay, at the end of the year, 5,700,000 inventory is reported in Angel Berhad inventory record. The inventories were acquired 40% from Spirit Berhad. So opening stocks of Subsea is 5,700,000 times with 40%. Closing stock of Subsea. Answer will be 2,280,000. And URP closing stock 2,280,000 times with 15 per 115 equal to 297,391.30 cents. Okay, next we go for intra charges. First, we look at the operating expenses. These charges are parent company charged to subsidiary. So operating charges is 5,500 monthly. Here they mention how much they pay monthly, but we have to know the charges per annum. So 5,500 times with 12 months. Answer will be 66,000. And then rental of showroom space, 6,000 every 3 months, meaning they pay 6,000 quarterly. So 6,000 times 4 equals to 24,000. And then security services, 8,000 twice per year, meaning they pay 8,000 half yearly. So 8,000 times with 2 equals to 60,000. The total operating expenses will be 106,000. Okay. The last but not the least is dividend. Whenever we calculate dividend, we should refer dividend paid by Subsea. There is a given ordinary share of Spirit 1,600,000. It is times with 78%, which is parent holding. 1,600,000 times with 78%.
Record it. The time gonna stop, so we record it.